Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video all on how I annotate my books with something called book darts. So a couple videos ago, I mentioned something called book darts, and I have recently begun annotating once more with them, and I thought I would do a video all about them. But before we get started, go ahead and like this video. It really helps me out and helps other people see my videos, as well as subscribe if you would like to see more content from me. So, book darts are these little metal like paperclip kind of things. I have them in this plastic bin because they come in a little metal tin, and it's very small. It looks like kind of like something you would have like a salve in. And I have found with that, last time I had that, it got stuck. I don't know how. I got a hammer to it. I got like knives in between and tried to break the seal. Like, you guys have no idea how hard I tried to open this thing, and I had only used just a few of them. So I ended up having to throw the whole thing away because I literally I demolished this tin with the hammer and the all the things that I did to try to break the seal, I just made it worse, and the whole thing had to go in the trash, and I was so upset. So I didn't actually purchase them again until recently, which was this year. And immediately the first thing I did was throw the tin out. I went ahead and transferred them into this because I was not about to waste my money again. I was not about to chance it. The tin went in the trash, and I just transferred all of them into this big plastic thing, and that's that. So book darts come in a variety of different colors. You can buy them on Amazon. I will go ahead and provide the link down below. I do not get any commission or anything, so don't feel bad about buying them. I get nothing. So I got the variety pack. You can get like different packs. You can get all silver, all bronze, all gold, but I got the variety because I thought that would help me with annotating and having kind of subjects. So I have silver, I have gold, and then I have copper, which is kind of like that rosy gold kind of color, if you can see that. But basically I have 3 different colors I can choose from to annotate and choose how to annotate, etc. So I will use the book that I have annotated with, and it is Robin Sharma's The Everyday Hero, which I have talked about multiple times on my channel. But basically, if you look at the like pages, this is annotated. Like, isn't that crazy? Like, that's all the annotation. So there's nothing falling out. There's nothing sticking out. It just looks really clean, and also because there's different colors, I can get to where I need to go very quickly. So what I did was, on the very front page, I put a key, and I put in silver were my favorite quotes. So if I want to get a quote, I go to a silver tab, and it will point me to the quotes. And another thing about book darts is that it points to the line. So that's also something I really enjoy, is how it points. I did gold, a product or research to buy or research. So Robin talks a lot about like products or books, etc. And then bronze is a picture. So he had a lot of references and diagrams. So I went ahead and just annotated that as well. Now, every book is going to be different, and that's okay. So I thought I would sit down and tell you kind of the different ways you can use book darts. So the colors can represent a couple different things. That's the only drawback of book darts, is that there's not a variety of different colors. I know a lot of people like all the rainbow colors, etc., but they fall out, they're messy, they can get expensive, And with book darts, I find they stay, they're cleaner, and also they're metal. You can recycle them. I feel like it's better for the environment. So you could have like gold. You could be like an emotion. So if you get really angry by the scene or anything like that, you can have it as gold. You could or if you're sad, this scene made me really sad, have it be silver. Romance, relationships, that could be rose gold, or that could be the copper. You could have it be like any quotes or plot points, you could have a certain color. So that's the only thing about book darts that is a negative, is that you are limited in where you can go, basically. Limited in how many colors you can do, but I do think it is cleaner and it's more environmentally friendly, and you can actually have a little bit of diversity with the pins. Something else with book darts when you are learning how to do it is basically like a paperclip. So I have found something that really helps is they're kind of really big. I'm not gonna lie, they are really, really big. And since they are metal, they like to rip pages. So what I do is I just hold on to the page and gently kind of wiggle it onto the page. And then if you look at this page, I actually have it in the gap between that quote. So instead of having the book dart kind of cover the quotes, I will put it kind of in the little gap in between lines, either above or below the sentence, because I also underline the sentence as well. You can also annotate it if you just get like one color. Say you really like the gold, you could just get gold book darts and then use highlighters as a way to depict what this means. So that way you can have all the colors, you can kind of make it your own. I choose not to do that for whatever reason. I just never have highlighters on me, but I have a ton of pens, so I just go with the pen route. You also can remove them really easily, so if I did want to remove all those, I could. What you could do is you could use Post-its, and you could write like the annotation out instead of marking up your page. But yeah, so I love book darts. I think that they are awesome. I do hope they come out in different colors, but I think that would be doable, even though it's metal. I really do. I mean, you make paper clips in pink and blue and fun colors, so I think book darts needs to come out with more colors. I think that would only benefit that company. But what do you guys think? Would you guys be interested in annotating this way? Do you guys like the idea of bookmarks? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.